If your Vizio TV keeps turning off by itself, don't worry, you're not alone, and the fix is easier than you think. Remind you that turning off instantly is different from turning off after some time. We only troubleshoot turning off after some time, so keep in mind. So, let's dive right in and get your TV back under control. First things first, grab your Vizio remote. Different models may look a little different, but the steps are mostly the same. Press the menu or settings button on your remote. If you don't see the menu right away, look for a button labeled Settings Menu or a gear icon. Press and hold it if needed. Once you're in the settings menu, we're going to check a few things that can trigger auto power behavior. Navigate to the Picture tab in your settings, scroll down and find Energy Saving Mode or Eco Mode. Make sure this is turned off. Why? Because sometimes these energy-saving features can cause your TV to power on or off on its own to conserve power, especially if no input is detected. Now go to the System tab. Scroll all the way down to More Settings. Look for anything labeled Auto Power On, Auto TV On, or Power Timer. If you see something like Auto Power On after 4 hours, turn it off. This feature is meant to power the TV on or off automatically after a set time. And that's probably what's causing the issue. Still having trouble? Let's make sure your software is up to date. Stay in the System tab. Go to Check for Updates or Software Update. Select Scan for Updates and install any available updates. Sometimes a software bug can cause strange behaviors and a simple update can fix it. If nothing's worked so far, try resetting your settings. Head back to the Picture tab. Scroll down and find Reset Picture Settings or Reset TV Settings. This will return picture and some system settings to their default state, which can clear up any settings that were causing issues. Still no luck? Here's one last trick. Unplug the power cable from the back of your TV. Not just turn it off, actually unplug it. Leave it unplugged for at least 10 seconds. Plug it back in and power it on. This gives your TV a hard reset and can clear up any glitches happening behind the scenes. And that's it. After following these steps, your Vizio TV should stop turning on by itself. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this one.